I ain't talking about no broke business. I got money now. All I really understand is since that check came in, everybody talking like I'm really acting funny now.
Yo, it's your boy Quick, and I'm back like I never left. And as you can see from the title today, I'm gonna break down Walmart, telling you whether it's a buy, hold, or sell. Since I don't currently own any of this in my portfolio now, I'm either gonna buy on the stock or pass on it. But before I get into all that, I want to give a quick shout out to my boy Isaac over at Wins Only for the merch, man. It's high quality stuff. It's mad soft. It's mad comfortable. And you gotta love the name of the company, Wins Only. That's all we're gonna do in 2021. So the link to the website will be down in my comment section below. Go shop with them. First thing first, let's just do a quick little check of their year-to-date price. Trending upwards. Let's do a full year price. Trending upwards. 5 years. Trending upwards. Max. Still trending upwards. Okay, so that's a good sign. So here's what I do. I look at these three things after I do that. I look at the beta, I look at the PE, and I look at whether they pay a dividend or not. The beta here, it'll tell you whether they're super volatile or not. Being that it's under 1, you can tell that it's not super volatile. The PE ratio will tell you, or it'll give you an idea whether the stock is expensive or not. And then 3, I just like dividends. I'd rather my company pay me for being an investor than not pay me. And earlier this year, I cut out a lot of stocks and ETFs that I owned because I was upwards of like 20, 25 investments. The majority of them weren't paying me any dividends. I cut them all out. I actually had no investments for quite a bit of time, and now I'm building back up. And I would say I have about 6 investments right now that I'm currently heavily invested in actually, and 4 pay me a substantial dividend. I got to see if the company is profitable. Boom, 3 quarters of profitability, 2 with massive beats here and here. Q1, I don't really count Q1. We had the Rona going on, and I mean that's just a once in a lifetime event. That's just I'm not gonna hold that against them. Annually, their revenues are pretty much $500 billion. That's $500 billion worth of revenue.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
That is amazing. That is amazing. Have what? About 15 billion in earnings there, 7 billion earnings there, 10 there, 14 here. They're extremely profitable. Um, and why there's such a discrepancy here between revenues and earnings, I would say they're obviously still growing. I know Walmart is a very well established brand for us, and we all know Walmart, but they still have so much stuff that they're doing on the back end that we're not even really seeing, and it's expensive, and they're investing a lot of that money back into themselves. So what are they investing in exactly? E-commerce. I mean, everything is moving to online. So as you guys can see here, I've highlighted for you, Walmart grew their e-commerce by 79% in Q3 alone. Q4 numbers aren't out yet just because we're not technically through with Q4. Um, but 79% in Q3 is amazing. I'm sure that Q4 is just the same, and I really believe that they can carry this strength through into Q1, maybe Q2 of next year, depending on how this whole vaccine and everything else plays out. So something else that has me super bullish on Walmart is their new Walmart Plus. It's kind of like Amazon Prime, but for Walmart, obviously. Um, $12.95 a month or $98 a year. For my example, let's just say everyone does $98 a year, because this is like $155, $160 per month, and I don't see anyone just giving away money. But if you want to increase the company's profits that I invest in, by all means, please pay $12.95 a month. But anyways, if they get 100 million people to pay $98 a year, that's $9.8 billion that they'll add to their bottom line. I think that 100 million subscribers for Walmart Plus is super easily attainable number for them. Obviously, I don't think it's going to happen overnight. It's going to take them a couple years to do, but I think that it can be done. Yeah. Walmart Plus, I think it'd be a huge thing for them to increase their bottom line, literally for next to nothing. Just literally just have you subscribe to it. So that's pretty much my bullish thesis on Walmart. I wouldn't be mad if anyone added this to their portfolio. I'm definitely considering it for mine. Come Monday, they trade at a low PE ratio. It shows that they're undervalued. I think that they have a lot of room to grow there. Their beta is super low. That means they're not going to be moving a lot, and I'm all good with that. I'm not looking for super movie, high volatile stocks, um, and I think that they have a lot of room to grow with everything that they're innovating with. Their revenues are amazing. The profits could be better, but it takes money to make money, so they're investing what they make in revenues back into themselves. They also pay a dividend, which is fire, because anytime you can get capital gains from your investment and have that money pay you for investing the money, that's a double win for me. So Walmart is definitely a buy for me. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I say at the end of all my videos, I'm not telling you it's going to be easy. I'm telling you it's going to be worth it.